Good day, friends. Today we're taking you on another motorcycle adventure. First things first, let's make sure we don't end up at the bottom of that cliff before the adventure even begins.
I don't stop, I don't look back. Steady hands on a lonely track. Driving on through the rain and the shine.
And here we are. We finally made it, but before I show you this incredible place, there's one thing every rider knows. Let's make sure our luggage is still strapped down. After roads like these, you never take that for granted. Perfect. Everything's still where it belongs. Now we're ready. Let's begin the adventure. Our first stop is one of Serbia's most mysterious medieval fortresses, Maglic Fortress. Perched high above the winding Ibar River, this stone giant has guarded the valley for more than 7 centuries. Built sometime during the 13th century, its true origins remain a mystery. Historians believe it was constructed to protect the nearby monasteries of Žiča and Studenica, while local legends tell a different story. Some say it was built by the infamous cursed Jirina, a ruler surrounded by myths and dark tales. Although there is no historical evidence for that, the name Maglic literally means the foggy one. And if you're lucky enough to visit on a misty morning, you'll understand why. The fortress often disappears into thick clouds, making it look like something straight out of a medieval fantasy. Surrounded by the Ibar River on 3 sides, with massive stone walls and 7 towers, Maglic was designed to be almost impossible to conquer. Even today, while standing on its walls, it's easy to imagine watchmen scanning the valley for approaching armies and merchants traveling along the ancient road below. So gear up, start your engines, and join us as we ride toward one of Serbia's greatest hidden gems, where history, legends, and the open road come together. Continue our journey, and the road brings us to the monument of the fallen hero of the Ibar. This memorial honors the brave men who gave their lives defending the Ibar Valley during the turbulent years of the First World War. Standing here, it's a reminder that these peaceful roads and breathtaking landscapes have witnessed some of the darkest moments in Serbia's history. Countless soldiers fought with extraordinary courage to protect their homeland, and many never returned. Today, this monument stands as a symbol of sacrifice, resilience, and respect for those who gave everything for future generations. As riders, we often chase the freedom of the open road, but places like this remind us that freedom always comes at a price. Our final stop brings us to the birthplace of one of Serbia's greatest heroes, and that hero was actually a woman, Milunka Savic. Her birthplace is the tiny mountain village of Koprivnica near Jošanička Banja on the slopes of Kopaonik in southwestern Serbia. Today, only a handful of people remain here, and the quiet surroundings make it easy to imagine what life was like more than a century ago. When the First Balkan War began in 1912, Milunka made an extraordinary decision. Wanting to protect her younger brother from the horrors of war, she cut her hair, dressed as a man, took the name Milan Savic, and enlisted in the Serbian army in his place. Her true identity wasn't discovered until she was wounded in battle. Even then, instead of sending her home, Her commanders recognized her incredible courage and allowed her to remain on the front lines as a soldier. Through the Balkan Wars and the First World War, surviving 9 battlefield wounds and earning a reputation for fearless bravery. Milunka became the most decorated female combat soldier in the history of warfare. Among her many honors were the Order of Karageorgia's Star with Swords, 2 French Legions of Honor, the French War Cross with Palm, and numerous Serbian and Allied military decorations. Yet perhaps the most remarkable part of her story came after the war. She returned to a quiet civilian life, raising children, including several she adopted, and asking for nothing in return. Despite everything she had done for her country, she spent much of her life working ordinary jobs, far from the glory she had earned on the battlefield. Standing here at the place where her story began, it's impossible not to feel respect for a woman whose courage changed history. Some heroes wear capes, others wear a soldier's uniform and leave behind a legacy that will never be forgotten. But perhaps the most incredible part of this entire journey was still waiting for us. Inside Milunka Savic's birthplace, we had the honor of meeting not just visitors or caretakers, but her own descendants.
Ovo mi je isto brat od tetke I on je isto.
Najstariji.
Ja stariji sigurno od mene.
O, nema stariji od mene.
Ali ja sam profesor fizike. Izvini.
Moja majka je najstarija je. Od Savića.
Znači vi ste unuka Milunke sad?
Yes, a on je unuk. Njegova majka I moj otac su rođeni brat I sestra. Inače, naš deda je taj Milunkin brat.
Her grandchildren welcomed us like family with the kind of warmth and hospitality that Serbia is known for. As they shared stories passed down through generations, history suddenly felt alive. This was no longer just a museum or a historic house. It was a home filled with memories, pride, and the living legacy of one extraordinary woman. Meeting the family of Serbia's greatest heroine wasn't something we had planned. It was one of those rare moments that no map can lead you to, and one we'll never forget.
Through the night, through the rain, I ride alone, I feel no pain. Steel and fire, heart of gold, road guardian, brave and bold.
this is your first time on our channel, welcome. In this series, we'll take you across Serbia, exploring its breathtaking landscapes, hidden gems, rich history, and the roads that make every ride unforgettable. We will explore Serbia's natural beauty, be your guides, show you the most scenic roads for driving, discover the wonders Serbia has to offer, and reveal interesting facts come from Serbia that you may not have known about. We already have some videos on the channel, but they are in Serbian, so we've decided to start from the beginning. Welcome to our channel. Subscribe, give us a like, and join us on this journey. We do this for you out of our love for nature and our passion for driving.